So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in Dragon City. So it's quite simple, just first type out Dragon City so you can get to those codes, and codes are basically used to get you discounts, some more rewards, some accomplishments and stuff like that. So from there you can just type out codes. And you can see here Dragon codes, Dragon City redeem product codes and vouchers. So this is important since you will need to visit their official website, since the app itself doesn't give you the opportunity to redeem their code. And you can see here it says give code, and you will need to enter the code right here. Once you're logged in, you can go ahead and redeem that code, and you can just check it on the redeem part of the screen. So if you go to Dragon City right here, you can see the login, conservation stuff, and mastery pass, gem packs, and so on. So it really urges you to log in. After that, you can get to the redeem part of the page and just enter the code on here. And once you're logged in and redeemed, you can then exit and go back to Dragon City app and go back to your device wherever you're playing the app, and you can find it on Apple, Microsoft Store, and stuff like that. And you can use that app to actually use the rewards that you redeemed through a code, or you've gotten a discount or something else that the code offered you. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Dragon City or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.